from the mind of Mark Yoshimoto Nemkov.
All right, Soyuz 1973 unboxing, here we go. And thank you to the fine folks at Soyuz for sending this over. You're listening to the 73 right now, and I have to get dialed in a little bit more on my rig, but you know what? So far, I really like it. The packaging. This is really neat. I love this graphic on the front. I would totally rock that as a poster in my studio. Little URL action, SoyuzMicrophones.com. And it's a sturdy box here on the back. Right, some information about the capsule, and which is handmade at Soyuz, and this resonator disc that helps give it this mid-forward presence, which I think makes this microphone really good for voiceover and for broadcast and for content creation. So let's open this up, all right? And I love the fact that they include the paperwork that you usually get with all your other Soyuz microphones. And inside, this is some neat stuff. And you'll notice I'm obscuring the microphone to keep the suspense. But here's some information about it. Sometimes when you buy other microphones, they just give you like a sheet of paper. But this is cool. And you know what? Psychologically, this makes you feel like more like pride of ownership. I think the more you know about your microphone and the quality of the material that they include. Here's a warranty card, which is good. You always want a warranty with a new microphone. And more information. This is really cool. Check this out. Frequency plot for this microphone. Every microphone leaves the factory at Soyuz and the frequency response plot. Every one before it leaves. So a little bit more information on the handmade nature of these microphones. They're not just coming down an assembly line, in some factory. So by some machine, stamped out by some machine. Here's a sticker. You can put that on your forehead or something. Yeah. But this is really neat. This is such a nice touch. I really like this a lot. The cards of the people who built this microphone. Thank you to these folks. This is really cool. I love that touch. Really, it's really nice. So you can see who built your microphone. It has their little autographs on there. It's pretty neat. So I think that Soyuz has a lot of really cool stuff that they're doing. But the packaging and these inserts are really, really excellent. So let's get to the microphone. As you can see, it's pretty small. Laser cut foam. Oh, hold on. First, let's look at this. This is the mic mount that they include. It looks pretty thin, but it's pretty sturdy. Very lightweight. I'm actually using it right now. So let's get the microphone out of this laser cut foam. As you can see, it's in there very securely. And all right, let's get out of the bag. Now, you'll notice this is a pretty small microphone. It's maybe about the same size as like a TLM 103. It's probably a little bit wider, bigger than a TLM 102, but it's a pretty small microphone, right? Very nicely manufactured shell here. I think that might be some kind of aluminum steel alloy blend. Nice grill. I like the badge. And here's the bottom. And as you can see, here is the pad switch, 10 and 20 dB pad switch on the bottom. Very simple microphone. I love that. And here's the top. And overall, I'm pretty impressed with what I've seen so far. There are definitely going to be more voice-over-centric videos coming soon. We'll even shoot it out against the Soyuz 017 Fed. But overall, I dig it. What do you think, all right? Tell me what you think of this unboxing. All right? More videos coming soon. Until then, this is Mark Yoshimoto Nemkov on the Soyuz 1973, fading to black.